guys, it's Michael Valentino from Crusader Caravans in Victoria. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the E-Vario Truma gas heater. It's been very popular lately, especially with the colder climate sort of starting to just come in a little bit. This is a very difficult unit to sort of demonstrate to people during handover. It's probably the number one thing we get a phone call about as to how to use them, because some people have had the older ones, some people have had the newer ones. Today this is the newest and best technology. It's really important, I think, when demonstrating these, we sort of keep it to the KISS principle, keeping it simple. And the reason for it is there's a heap of tech you can do with them. You can set timers to turn on at 7, off at 9. You can set it to automatically prompt, and you can do all these really fantastic things with it that the European Truma products have come out with. But our 90% of our customers just want to press on and be done with it. So this is the latest and greatest Truma product. So the heater is actually located underneath this single bed just now. We've taken the mattresses away just because it's a lot easier to show you how to work this product up close and personal. I'm sitting in a little TV hutch just now. This gas heater vents out directly onto the floor between the single beds and straight through the center of the van. So if it was a queen bed, it'd come straight through the center via a duct, and we cover the top of it so you can continue to store on top of the gas heater. People who have had the gas heaters before would know there's a little external mask you used to put on the gas heater from the carbon dioxide flue on the outside. They don't do those anymore because some people are forgetting to turn them off and it has the error message. So now it's just a nice covered flue on the outside. It just taps off. So that way, all you have to do, really, your responsibility is just making sure the gas bottle on the front is on. You've got gas in the line, there's gas through it, we can turn it on. And that's as easy as that. So providing you've gone outside, you turn the gas bottle on, double check it at the hot water service or double check it at the cooktop, just make sure there's gas in there, and then we're free to use our little LCD screen. So whoever sleeps on this side of the bed is the gas heater controller. That's right near them. They just press a few buttons and they're going to be heating the caravan up literally within 5 minutes. So to use this guy here, the first activation, so as soon as we turn this just here, it's going to light the screen up. It doesn't do anything, but it lights the screen up. So we're going to press this here. Now you'll notice up here on the top left, we've got a little flashing RV. So we're just going to zoom a bit in there. So what we're going to do is you're going to press the RV just here, and we're going to roll it right up to about, say, 30 degrees. We're going to nice pump it, right? Then we go, yep, select, press, done. That's it. We're on. This thing's going to heat up. Now, if you want to get a bit more technical, let's change the fan. So we've gone here, top right is the fan selection. So I've just rotated. So if you rotate left, it flashes. Rotate right, it flashes. So you press that, it's auto. Now, most people will be happy with auto. Some people want to put it up a boost. So that fan has now just started. I can hear it firing. So what you can do is you've got night mode, boost mode, auto mode. Boost mode is obvious. We want to get hotter quicker. So boost mode, we're going to fire that up. It's going to get hotter quicker. So I don't like waiting around. Let's go as fast as we can. So that's going to now fire up. Now, these little bottom settings here are our timer, our time, and setting mode. Now, just to give you a bit of demonstration, just so that way you know what it is. Like, there's a heap of stuff in here you don't really want to concern yourself with. You don't want to be playing with index. You don't want to be resetting it. So let's just press the back button, which is located on the left of the dial switch. Now we're back to home base, right? Now, let's say you want to turn it off. You're already steaming hot. You've had a nice cuppa in the morning. Coffees are ready to go. Let's turn it off. Let's press this little here. So we're onto the RV. We press the RV. We're going to rotate right down to say off. And you can't get any more basic than that. Press the center button. The fan's shut off. The heater's now turned off. And it's ready to roll. So you just press back, and then I'll go back to the neutral screen just there. It only takes approximately 6 to 10 minutes really to start getting a bit of warmth in here. I know on a really cold day during pre-deliveries, my guys will turn this on and it just is absolutely awesome in here. Snug as. These can get a little bit confusing. It's very important just to take your time. Before you try and use the units, just make sure you've got gas in them. Otherwise, they get a bit of a headache. So we'll just run through that one more time because it's a little bit confusing. RV is flashing. We've selected the RV. Fantastic. So then, bang. We're on the RV. Let's go right up to say 26 degrees. Bang, we're on. This is going to heat up. This is it now. It's done. You've done the job. But let's say you want to get boosted. So then we can go, all right, well, let's rotate. And sometimes if the fan hasn't activated the boost button here, so for us, we're just going to go auto. Beautiful. You can leave it on now. That's it. That's its neutral position. Fan's activated. It's firing up on gas. We're getting hot. So now we're already hot. Let's turn it off. RV is flashing. That's the selection. Press it. Thank you very much. Back to off. Bang, done. Back to neutral position, screen off nice and dim so we can go to bed. This is how to work the Truma E-Vario heater. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below or email michael@crusadermelbourne.com or give us a call on 03 9359 2938. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.